This is Garrett Fry, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI-Toolkit plugin that I created for Prism Pipeline. The plugin registers AI-Toolkit as a Prism app and treats the YAML files as Prism scene files so they appear in the project browser. This is a great plugin because you get to track your AI LoRa training settings, so you can always go back to these settings and recreate the training if you need to. Here in the Prism project browser, under Assets, I have Character, and then under the department, Identity, and then Tasks, I have LoRa Training. And this is where, for my project, I'm keeping all of my AI Toolkit YAML files. You can see I have multiple versions here, and I also have notes associated with these versions. So if you go over here and say Edit Comment, you can add comments to each one of these files. And that's the real beauty of Prism and this plugin, is allows you to keep track of all the different versions and put notes to them. So you can see here, I have a Flux 1 that I was trying, and a Flux 2, and a Flux 2 client that I was trying out, and I wanted to keep track of all these, and this is a fantastic place to do that. With this plugin, you can create these AI Toolkit YAML records inside of Prism under any task. So, and they can be mixed with other types of records. Here I have Comfy UI, another plugin that I created. If I wanted to add a AI Toolkit YAML record here, what I would do is first I would start by going under here, create new version from preset, and then I'm going to select AI Toolkit. So you can see that it creates a blank record there, and what that's going to allow us to do is if you right click on that record, it gives us access to this new menu right here where you can save a new version from your clipboard, or you can copy this into your clipboard. So what this action is going to do is it's going to copy it into your Windows system clipboard, and you're going to be able to transfer it that way. So let me just give you a quick example here. I have this version 4. If I right click on this, go to AI Toolkit, and I'm going to copy this right here. So I've copied that, and now the YAML file is in my clipboard for my system. And I've created a new job here. These are all the default settings that you can see right here. And I can go over here to Show Advanced, this tab right here. I'm going to select all of this, delete it. And because my YAML file has been copied into my clipboard, I can just paste that right there. And there's my full file. Now if I go over to Show Simple, you can see now it has the name, and it's Flux 2, and it has all of my settings and the prompt that I'm using there to test the AI as it's training. So all of it's there. So let's say that you make some tweaks to this and you want to save a new version. You go over here to Advanced, you select it all, copy it, then you go back into Prism here, you right click on the record here and you say Save New Version from Clipboard. And if you do that, it's going to create a version 5 for you like you see right here. And if you right click on that, you can add a comment so that you can keep track of what you did with that particular version. If you want to see the YAML file and where it's saved on your hard drive, then you just right click here and you go over here to Open and Explore. And you can see there's the YAML file right there, along with the JSON file that has all the pipeline information about this file. If I wanted to just take a look at this file, then I could just drag this in to my note-taking app, and there is the YAML file for me, all recorded and kept safe inside of the Prism Pipeline directory.